Once upon a time in a cozy little town, there lived a curious kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers was a tiny ball of fur with bright green eyes that sparkled like emeralds. One sunny afternoon, Whiskers found a mysterious box at the edge of the garden. Intrigued, Whiskers approached the box and sniffed it cautiously. To his surprise, the box wiggled, and a tiny meow escaped from inside. With a sense of excitement, Whiskers pounced on the box, and to his delight, he discovered a playful little kitten inside. The newfound friend was a fluffy gray kitten with a mischievous twinkle in her eyes. Whiskers decided to name her Misty because of her soft, mist-like fur. From that day on, Whiskers and Misty became inseparable companions, exploring every nook and cranny of the town together. Their adventures were filled with laughter and joy. They chased butterflies in the meadow, climbed trees in the park, and even had a daring escapade with a ball of yarn that rolled through the streets. The townspeople soon fell in love with the adorable duo, and Whiskers and Misty became the talk of the town. One day, a heavy rainstorm hit the town, and Whiskers and Misty found themselves stuck under a porch, shivering in the cold. Whiskers, being the brave little cat that he was, decided to venture out in search of shelter. He discovered a kind old lady who welcomed them into her warm home. The old lady, whose name was Mrs. Thompson, provided Whiskers and Misty with a cozy bed, a bowl of warm milk, and plenty of affection. From that day on, Whiskers and Misty had a forever home, and Mrs. Thompson became their new best friend. As the raindrops danced on the windows, Whiskers and Misty curled up together, grateful for the warmth and love they had found. The little town had witnessed the heartwarming tale of two adventurous kittens who, against all odds, discovered the true meaning of friendship and home. And so, in the snug embrace of Mrs. Thompson's home, Whiskers and Misty lived happily ever after.